Welcome to Project Vape Light. Today we're trying out two new things. One is this 30-degree lens, which is my new favorite, I think, and a push button. Here we have the Boss 9000 Puffs, titanium, whatever it's called. It's a tubular type design. And by tubular, I mean it's a aluminum extrusion. You can hear it here. I'll tap on it a few times. You can hear it's aluminum. Or maybe it's titanium, but it's probably aluminum. And it's real easy to put these together. Now, on this design, this type of vape, you just have to make a forward cap, and you don't have to do any fabrication because the tube is already a tube. Much easier if it's a cylindrical tube, though. And you can see here we have a 600 milliamp hour battery, which I was kind of apprehensive of turning this into a vape, but then looking back into some other batteries, which are 450, 300, 550, this isn't too bad. And we were here taking it apart, and some wires I have to desolder or cut off. And this red to blue wire, which is a heater coil wire, I'll just cut off from the control board. And this is the PB05A push button self-locking button. I thought it would be real cool to use this, but it's not very rugged. The red button comes off real easily, but for applications like this, you know, it has its place. And we're testing out the LED on diode mode, 2.5 volts, but it's 3 to 3.2 volts, and the resistors has 2.8 when it's rated as 3 ohms. The battery is 3.1, so it needs some charging. Here's the 30-degree lens. And I think I should get myself a new multimeter just because I'd like to have more accurate readings. And here we are with my DIY helping hands tool, tinning the tips of our silicone wire. And it really helps me solder all the wires together. I don't have to like mess around with trying to hold it in place while I hold both the soldering iron and the solder. Here I am bending the legs, both legs, of the SMD LED. This is to clearance it in the end cap that I've designed. I might have to change the wires to maybe like 12 or 14 gauge because it was kind of hard manipulating this 10 gauge wire. And here we are, attaching everything to the battery. And we should be doing a function test right now. All right, there we go. Nice and bright. Now to put everything back together. What a breeze it is to work with these tube type designs. Everything just goes in one way, and you make an end cap, and that's it. Real quick and dirty task. This is me on CAD making the end cap with matching angles to the shape of the aluminum extrusion. You don't have to do that, but it makes it a cleaner design in the end. Now I'm just making sure that the LED is pressed into the lens, just so we get the good contact and the beam is nice and even, nice and focused. Now installing everything in here. And I think at some point my camera crashed and I didn't get footage of me actually gluing everything into place. But the only thing I glued here was, the lens and the bulb itself. So it pays to design everything real cleanly and nicely. And as you can see, because I measured twice and cut once, I only had, this time around, only one attempt to print the end cap, and it fits snugly. I didn't need to add glue or anything because it was perfect. And check this out. Yugoslavia. Oh, I barely needed any glue also for the bulb because the design was real clean. Haha, I wonder who designed it. Anyway, so here it is being function tested on the bench. It's really nice to hold them because it just feels like a real, like, regular flashlight. And you can see all of them are USB-C type and they're rechargeable. And after charging it to 4.2 volts, you got a really nice bright beam. Yeah, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one.